Welcome to part 1 of repairing a broken casting on a Myford Super 7 lathe. This got broken by some rather careless removal men, and I'm planning on repairing it with this JB Weld, which is a slow cure epoxy resin with metal particles in it, and apparently it's very strong. The other option clearly was to buy a new casting, but they're not available anymore. I did think about welding it, and there's a low temperature, or should I say relatively low temperature, aluminium welding alloy which melts just below the temperature of the casting. I thought this might be a bit too exciting, hence the thoughts of using the JB Weld. So the first job was to get the change wheels off, take the banjo off, get the back casting off, and actually see what we're up against. After a brief struggle with the banjo, it comes. Putting the nuts and washers back where they came from. If I don't do this, I find they seem to disappear somewhere into the darkest recesses of the workshop, never to be seen again. Sorry about getting my shoulder in the way. It's a bit awkward filming this and taking things to bits. Now you can see the damage. It's, well, had a pretty big bash, as you can see. Yeah. I was a bit dubious at this stage as whether this was going to work or not, because I mean we're talking about an aluminium casting, and it's not going to be particularly flexible. With the size of the dent in it, I wasn't particularly hopeful at this stage. I was beginning to wonder how I was going to get around the problem. Here we have it. What to do next? Well, clearly put it in the vise and try bending it. This didn't really do a lot, except the thing kept popping out of the vise, and I was a bit reluctant to tighten it anymore in case I broke it. So obviously the next thing to do is to hit it. If all else fails, get a hammer and give it a whack. The whole process of getting this straight took probably half an hour, 45 minutes. So for all our sanity, I'm going to skip forward to the end result. There we are. It's reasonably flat, it hasn't broken, and I'm reasonably optimistic now that I can fix it. So if you want to see what happens next and how we got from this to this, come back for part 2 when you can find out how I did it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe below.